Introducing WebForms, the latest addition to Form Butler. We've reimagined every detail to make creating and managing forms easier, faster, and more powerful than ever. With a refreshed interface and intuitive drag-and-drop builder, you can effortlessly customize forms to suit your needs. Build unlimited forms, add dynamic fields like checkboxes, drop-downs, and conditional logic. Enhance functionality with lookup fields. Related lists. Math operations using dynamic data. And the ability to upload attachments from a form. You can even personalize your designs with custom branding. Form Butler seamlessly integrates with Salesforce, ensuring your data flows directly into your CRM for streamlined processing and automation. You can insert any web form into your website and send that data directly to SFTC, and even create a form behind the scenes with batch jobs. With robust validation rules, automated email notifications, and save and resume functionality, we've redefined how you collect, manage, and act on data. Form Butler, making Salesforce data collection seamless and efficient. For more information, request a demo at www.pdfbutler.com.